This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Sari Hernandez. Hurry! Don't let this move-in ready, freshly painted interior and well-taken care jewel slip out of your fingers. Check out this spacious townhome in a desired Premiere Carrollwood neighborhood near Lake Magdalene area. This beauty offers elegance throughout that shows owner's pride. Starting with a comfortable living room that leads you to the nice breakfast bar for happy morning gatherings and stainless steel appliances in the modern artsy kitchen. Past the kitchen, open the door to an unexpected breathtaking climate-controlled Florida room/bonus room with a private setting to entertain friends and family. A large storage closet with a blackboard paint door-off bonus room for convenient access to your belongings, and best of all with no rear neighbors. A convenient half-bath and indoor washer/dryer closet downstairs complements this lovely home. Upstairs is the master suite with Jack and Jill bathroom for easy access from the second bedroom. Convenient front door parking spaces are A+. Mature trees nicely frame this lovely community. Great community pool and tennis courts for your enjoyment and pet-friendly policies. HOA fees provide for water, sewer, trash, landscape and building exterior maintenance, roofing and building insurance. Very quiet area just off of Fletcher, is just about a mile from I-275 and 2 miles to Dale Mabry. Close to USF, Haley VA, Moffit, all the restaurants and shopping that Dale Mabry and North Tampa has to offer. Major highways to downtown, Westshore business districts, Tampa Airport, major sports venues, and Gulf beaches. For more information, review the details below.